How to backup a database by Pyodbc. The backup statement can't be used in a transaction when it executes with Pyodbc cursor. It seems that the Pyodbc execute the query inside a default transaction. I have also tried to use the auto-commit mode or add the commit statement before the backup statement. Both of these are not working. Is it possible to execute the backup statement by Pyodbc? Thanks in advance. Added additional info. The backup operation is encapsulated in a function such as if the function is called by following code, then the exception will be with open the keyword autocommit equals true, the function will run silently, but there is no backup file generated in the backup folder.
Assuming you are using SQL Server, specify autocommit equals true when the connection is built. This is using Pyodbc 3.0.7 with Python 3.3.2. I believe with older versions of Pyodbc you needed to use cursor.nextSet for the backup file to be created. For example, it's worth noting that I didn't have to use cursor.nextSet for the backup file to be created with the current version of Pyodbc and SQL Server 2008 R2.
After hours I found solution. It must be performed no master, other sessions must be terminated, DB must be set to offline, then restore and then set to online again.
The unfortunate is on dragon screen.